Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends and hello Miss. I'm Sarah as moderator. Today we will presentation or discussion about past continuous tense. Before presenting, I will introduce my member group first. They are Atika Isya Hanifah, Nadia Ulfa, Sherlina Aulia, and me, Sarah. For the first presentation is Nadia Ulfa. Nadia Ulfa, is your turn.
Definition of past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is a tense form used to express that an action is taking place after a certain time in the past. This form indicates that the action occurred before, began before, during, and may continue after time or other action that occurred in the past. Past continuous tense formula. The past continuous tense is formed with the auxiliary verb or be, which is was or were, because the past tense happened in the past. And the present participle was for the singular subject in the form of singular noun, such as Andy, book, and cat, and a singular pronoun such as I, she, he, and it, except for you, on the other hand, which is a plural verb used in plural subject such as plural nouns, such as a cat, people, books, and plural pronouns, such as you, they, we, and cats, and you. Example of sentence. To maximize the theory above, you can see example of sentence that use the past continuous tense to make it even more precise in its use. 1. Sentence that have basic function. Example, I was working all day last Sunday. 2. Past continuous tense plus simple past tense. For example, I was sleeping when you come to my house yesterday. 3. Past continuous Sarah. She was sleeping even her car was stolen last night. 4. Irritation. She was always coming late for meeting. 5. Question. I was wondering if you could give me some drive. And 6. Active voice. For example, she was cleaning her house when I came. And then passive voice. Her house were being cleaned when I came. Next, for Atika.
Formula. The formula for the past continuous tense. Positive tenses S plus be, was or were, plus present participle, verb ing. Negative sentence S plus be, was or were, plus not, plus present participle, verb ing. Interrogative sentence be, was or were, plus S plus present participle, verb ing. Function and example of past continuous tense sentences. 1. Past continuous tenses to indicate an action that occurred during a certain moment in the past. Time expression that can be used include 1. At this time yesterday, or at this time yesterday, at time last night. 2. At 5 a.m. this morning, or at 5 o'clock this morning. 3. All day yesterday, or all day yesterday. for in February or in February. Example of past continuous tense. 1. I was shopping at this time yesterday. 2. What was he doing at 5 a.m. this morning? 3. They were roasting corn at this time last night. 4. I was doing physically exercise all day yesterday. And in February, she was working as a waitress in a well-known restaurant. 2. This tense is to show that there is a short duration action or simple past tense that occurs when a long duration action or past continuous tense in progress. The subordinate conjunction will and when can be used with the following formulation. Simple past tenses plus while plus past continuous tense. First, will he was sleeping or when he was sleeping. 2. While they were partying or when they were partying. 3. While I was reading a book or when I'm reading a book. Past continuous tense plus when plus simple past tense. 1. When I got home or when I get home. 2. When he opened the door or when he opened the door. 3. When you call it her or when you call it her. For example, the door was knocked while I was reading a book. My mom was cleaning the carpet when I got home. She was sleeping when you called her. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Atika. Next presentation is Sherlina Aulia.
Number 3, the past continuous tense is used to talk about something that happens repeatedly. The intervals are random but are actually a natural habit. This tense is sometimes used to criticize an action. Examples of past continuous tense sentence: I was repeatedly checking things. Number 2, the things was always yelling out loud. Number 3, my neighbor was always chasing stray cats off with his bedroom. Number 4, the past continuous tense is used with verb that indicate change or development, such as grow up, improve, go, and change. Examples of past continuous tense sentence: his hair was going to thin. My life was changing rapidly. The characteristics of past continuous sentence are as follows. The predicate of the sentence in this sentence always consists of to be, were, or was plus present participle. Example sentence: the boys were playing soccer in the field. Time signal. The time signal is often used in the past continuous tense. Verb of time: all day yesterday, the wall yesterday, as today, will, the wall day last week. In completing or making a sentence, you should look at the sentence constituents like the formula below. When plus simple past plus past continuous, or when plus past continuous plus simple past, will or as plus past continuous plus simple past. Next, past continuous plus when or will or as plus fitting continuous. Okay, I'll take it back the moderators.
Okay, thank you, Sherlina. It's my turn to presentation. Benefit of learning English tense to ha- to hone the to hone the ability to pronounce sentence in English properly and correctly. You can make sentence diligently honing your ability to use English tense will make you smarter in expressing things that have happened in the past by using the right sentence structure, especially if you are going to continue your studies abroad. In addition, by learning to use the formulas found in past tense sentence, you can find out when an event may occur. Understanding this will make it easier for you to communicate. Expressing this sentence is not only in the verbal form, but also in the written form. Correct and precise writing can support you if you want to work with foreign companies, for example, by making a journal, newspaper, research report, and being able to understand if there is an official letter that comes using English sentence. The past continuous tense sentence can be very helpful for expressing sentence, but questioning and active voice. Uh, okay, thank you. Uh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's our presentation. I'm sorry for the mistakes. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.